All right, today's the day.
Yep, last day with Taylor, which is really sad.
Our daughter, our firstborn child, is going away today.
So my water broke and I'm headed to the hospital to pick up my new baby, and we're trading in our other baby, Miss Taylor Rose.
That's right, our firstborn child, the Porsche Cayman, is going away today. We are officially trading it in.
Bittersweet.
Yep, but it's time. We are moving on to something a little bigger.
Yeah. How do you think it's bigger than Taylor?
I wouldn't say bigger and better.
Better?
I said I wouldn't say bigger and better.
He's been so mean about Taylor.
But definitely bigger. It's time. I've had enough. I was done with this car. I was ready to go. She's 4 years old. Time to put her up for adoption. So we are heading to the dealership tonight to trade her in. It's been a little bittersweet. Kim was crying today.
Yeah.
While wiping her
Final
down.
wipe down was rough, but I am very excited. I actually really am.
Yeah.
Like extremely excited, but it's just gonna be weird not having a sports car.
Yep. It's
not our forte.
But it was time. we're definitely ready for it, but again, bittersweet.
Yeah, we're getting something new and bringing it to you guys, so.
Yeah, we know it's a little silly, but we are gonna take both cars, car and Jeep, to the dealership. Why?
To pick up our new baby.
Because the whole family has to meet once.
The whole family has to go. Everybody else's families go when they get their new siblings.
Yep.
So Mo has to come. She was actually very sad that she might not be going, and we were like, oh well, that would be foolish. Of course we're gonna take you.
So then the big question is gonna be who's driving the new one home?
Yeah.
And who's driving the old shoes?
Yeah, the old year shoes.
1-year-old.
Although if it's cold enough, I don't know. I guess, well, yeah, then I might need the new shoes.
But one last cool fact before we head there. Mo was actually picked up July 30th. Today is August 6th. Both vehicles are being bought right between our birthdays.
Yep.
So
they've been birthday gifts. And Taylor was a birthday gift too. Taylor was picked up in July.
July 15th, before my birthday.
Right.
So,
but we're both July, August birthdays. So yeah, so we like to get cars for our birthdays. Or Jeeps.
That's what we do when you don't have kids. This is what you do.
Yeah, I mean.
So stay tuned. We're on our way.
So we're really excited to get our new Jeep Gladiator, which is a boy. Meet Neo. So Neo is going to take Taylor Rose's place officially right now.
My new key.
It's gonna be so weird driving.
Yeah, we're gonna have the double Jeep family now.
Right.
Yes.
I'm excited to see what you guys do with Neo. That's gonna be awesome.
We're gonna go a little more wild than Mo, I think, even. So.
Oh yeah. But thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah.
If you guys need anything,
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, if you guys need anything, you need to see Haley at the St. Charles location.
St. Charles Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We're here every day but Sunday, so just stop on in or give us a call. My name's Haley. I'm happy to help with anything.
And just say you know us, and she'll just know we sent you.
She's the best. This is our second one from her. Come check it out.
Yeah, she's quick, efficient, and she's so much fun to talk with. So we have a lot of fun with her. She owns a Jeep too, so she knows what you're driving.
Just double checking it for the last time, making sure we didn't forget anything in here. We just got the owner's manuals. And check the center, nothing in the center. Nothing in the center. First start up in the Jeep Gladiator. Just parked them both for the first time.
At Portillo's.
Of course, we gotta get some Portillo's dinner.
The greatest dinner of life.
In Chicago, you need
If you
Portillo's.
don't know Portillo's,
then you don't know.
yeah, that's right.
So we're getting some food.
And cheese fries. My favorite. Oh, he's trying the proximity.
Gonna try out the proximity. It's my first time because we didn't have it on Mo. Oh, look at that. Just grab the handle and it unlocks.
Good morning, Jeepers. As you can see, we have brought Neo home. He fits very nicely in our garage. He's becoming part of the family. We could not wait to get the top off. The only thing is we need to get another hoist so that we can hoist it up to the ceiling. We do not want to keep it sitting on the floor on towels. And we've already done a few mods. We put in the Pro Clip USA phone mount, and that's in here inside. As well as the WeatherTech floor mats, already in place, and our favorite shorty antenna, which looks amazing on the black Gladiator. We couldn't bring Neo home and not have some gifts for our newborn. The link for all these products will be in the description below. Check it out. Stay tuned, we have some killer mods for Neo coming up. We're gonna do a bunch of reviews, a bunch of how-tos and installs. We really appreciate all the support you've given to our channel. It really helps us if you like the video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel.